Well, I think the personal connect is the respect that all of us have for the fire department. That is the personal connect. I also want to quickly just say thank you to Bhushan ji and Ravindra ji. Without their support and without the support of the people that work with them, this film was not possible to be made. यहाँ जो actors बैठे हैं stage पे, they of course have done an incredible job in the film. But apart from them, all the firefighters that you see in the film are actual firefighters that came and worked on the film with us. Yeah.
Wow.
So as far as the genre is concerned, I mean, we at Excel, in partnership with Amazon, have tried for a long, long time to keep breaking new molds, trying and telling different kinds of stories that are away from the run-of-the-mill story or something formulaic that is currently the trend of the year, trend of the season. So that's what we keep trying. Sometimes we succeed, like with Agni, and sometimes we don't. But the endeavor goes on. So that's really what it is. And I just hope that when this film does come out, all of you all do watch it, because I know after having seen it, after having interacted with Rahul, with the entire team, that they've put together something that really, really has a beating heart.
So as India's most loved entertainment destination, I think it's our job to curate some of the best entertainment for our consumers. And we're committed to, bringing the best stories. This one has been fairly unique because it's not just different, but it's rooted, it's relatable, and yet it's fully cinematic in its storytelling. There is a lot of entertainment in the story. You'll see it's not just a serious film. There's so much entertainment, there's humor. You'll see the characters, mingling with each other in many ways. And you'll see them, very up close and personal. Is what I've personally loved, and I'm very happy to bring to audiences worldwide. It's not just inspiring, it's also deeply thought-provoking. Like the line in the film, and of course I've watched the film, I love the film. The line in the film says, cycle bhi CD pe. From that time I've been walking around in my own society and saying, cycle andar rakho. It's things that, you're not very mindful of. So it is going to be a conversation starter. It is thought-provoking. Of course, this is Rahul's directorial after Raees. We are so excited to see his work after, Raees now. And this is going to be, if not more, as exciting. So that's another really exciting point for us.
It was too much fun. In fact, we shot this film first.
Acha.
Yeah. And इसकी दोस्ती शायद उसमें ज़्यादा दिखी है हमारी.
Okay.
और इसमें हमारा जो banter है, हमारी जो दोस्ती और दुश्मनी साथ में दिखती है, that's more fun in this film.
So, if you could just share one good thing about working with him.
That's difficult.
So let's have one bad thing.
That's also difficult because that's a list. But so working with Divyendhu is very difficult because it's difficult to concentrate when he's around. एक तो आपको कोई देखता नहीं है when he's around.
He's talking about my looks.
Yeah. Clearly. No, so Divyendhu will return the favor. One thing you don't like about him.
There's hardly something.
चलो रहने देता उसको.
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं यार. Actually, Pratik is a great guy and सीख रहा है. So every day he's learning. I like that he has no ego. कभी भी shot के बीच में, if he has any problem, he comes to me and says, Divyendhu, मुझे scene नहीं हो पा रहा, कैसे करना है? So that's what I really like about him. He's a really humble guy. So yeah, keep it up, Pratik. For me, it's quite a different part to play. When we talk about Munna, that's a completely different world and character. But doing Agni was also, I mean, I really liked it as an artist, but also it was a responsibility that whatever we are doing, we have to do it with, with all our heart and, just do it right. I mean, so it's one of those films where, honestly, I mean, my character, yes, I really thoroughly enjoyed it, but, to be part of that world was even more important for me.
गुरुजी हैं, अब गुरुजी के बारे में क्या बोले हम? But what he said, that he is playing super cop in the film. And that also brings a lot of conflict in my character and in the world of firefighters. The kind of conflicts that these two characters are having, these two different worlds are having, their point of view about the same incident is different because of their background, because of their training and everything. And that makes it even more interesting and intriguing. So, film में भी वही है, and that's more fun. That makes it enjoyable for the viewers.
I think I'm very fortunate to be a part of such amazing group of people, talented people. And जैसा कि आपने बोला, हम बीच में बैठी हूँ, मेरा अक्सर फिल्म में भी सैंडविच हो रखा है. I play his sister and his wife. So I think for somebody who goes out and works and has a risky job like this, it is very important for them to have a very peaceful, delightful environment at home. So I think I play that part. I'm handling the domestic side. And मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं अग्नि का फूल हूँ. So I'm very happy to be a pool of Agni.
Wow.
So I think the first memory I have is of Farhan with Laksh. And it's always this thing of there's something about a person in the uniform. So when I heard about the script and I sat with Rahul, it was just very exciting, the whole process of becoming a firefighter, I feel. And even when the teaser came out, there were so many comments which said, "Arey ye filmi mat banao, female firefighter hote nahi hai." So our lack of knowledge that the department has so many female firefighters, and I have to say that I was very unaware with a lot of things that the fire department did as well. So I think this film has been a big learning. It's been great fun, as you can see the banter. And this is my second with Amazon, first with Excel, so it always will be special. First, second, thirds, they're all very special.
और ये कहानी जब मुझे ये मैंने पढ़ी और जब ये किरदार पढ़े तो ऑफ कोर्स एक्सेल प्रोड्यूस कर रही है ये फिल्म, राहुल ढोलकिया जैसे निर्देशक इसको डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं और ये सारी कास्ट है, तो एज एन एक्टर आपको ये मौका लगता है कि ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है यार, इसमें काम करूँगा ना तो बहुत अच्छा कुछ हो जाएगा. इससे परे जाकर जब हम लोग वर्कशॉप के लिए गए ना, और जब वर्कशॉप किया, वर्कशॉप करते करते जब इनकी और कुछ इनके अनुभव सुने, एक्सपीरियंसेस सुने, उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि यार ये करियर से परे, ये सिनेमा से परे, ये कहानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. जैसे कि मेरी बच्ची है, मेरी बच्ची को, आने वाली पीढ़ी को ये कहना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये लोग बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं. और फिर एक चीज़ मन में आई कि एक ही चीज़ हो, ये फिल्म देखने के बाद, जैसे हम लोग आर्मी का कोई जवान दिख जाता है या पुलिस वाला दिखता है तो हम लोग सलाम करते हैं, तो ये फिल्म देखने के बाद हर फायर फाइटर अगर दिख जाए रास्ते में तो उसको एक सैल्यूट करना चाहिए. इतनी
So true.
ये दिल में ख्याल आया. और फिर
Yeah, I think any project that you do as an artist, it's fictionalized and whatever, and you are going, it has its dynamics and everything. But this kind of project is special because as an artist, you get to learn a lot. Like, you don't pay attention to a lot of things when you're going about in your life, right? But these kind of projects lets you to see that you haven't seen before. Like, I didn't know about anything. Like Jitu Bhai said, I also felt ashamed. Like, when the first time I experienced everything, I thought, shit, I don't know anything about them.
First of all, the concept of the film is that we've seen films on various forces and police and 4Gs and all that, but we've never seen a film on firefighters. And I think internationally you've seen a lot of films like this, but may have seen, but in India we've not made. So this is the first film on firefighters, I think. And once I met one, while doing the research, I met one firefighter and he said कि फौजी जो है वो देश संभालता है, बॉर्डर संभालते हैं, हम शहर संभालते हैं. You know, and I think that's, nobody knows about it. मतलब आग लगी, they call it अंगार, वो लगती है तब जाते हैं, but there's so many other times they have to go in. So I think the concept came in from talking about their lives on and how they actually experience and giving them some kind of it's a wrong thing to say, but I think we should respect them a lot more than what
I
we are
completely
doing
agree,
that.
especially, you know.
And then when I took it to Farhan and Ritesh, and the story development is what I'm going to talk about next, is that they've been so involved in the whole process. So from the first day of the concept till today morning show floor, they're involved. So I think that's great for a film like this, because you need everyone's to work in unity.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं और Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें। 8 मिलियन प्लस सब्सक्राइबर, आपके इस भरोसे के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद।